In today's video, I will show you step by step how to add overlay in CapCut PC. The first thing you need to do is import the videos you will be using. I will import 3 videos to demonstrate all the ways you can add an overlay in CapCut on PC. First, drag the main video onto the timeline. In my case, it's this tutorial from my channel. I'll adjust the duration of the video by dragging the right edge to the left, and then I'll add the overlay video above it. It's crucial to have the overlay video placed above, as it is now in my case. After placing the overlay video, you can resize it by clicking on the Video tab in the upper right corner and adjusting the scale option. You can also change the position of this video by holding down the click on it and moving the mouse. I'll position it in the bottom right corner. Another useful thing you can add to the overlay video is the mask option. For example, if you've recorded a face cam that you want to be in a circular shape, all you need to do is click on Mask and then select Circle. After that, you can adjust your video with these points on the edges of the video. If you want to add an overlay effect, such as rain, you can do this by dragging that video onto the timeline, also placing it above the main video. Now, as the main video, I'll use this selfie video to make it easier to see the final result, and above it, I'll drag the overlay video. Then go to the Video tab, click on Basic, and enable the Blend option. After enabling the Blend option, all you need to do is choose the mode you want. I'll choose the screen mode. As you can see, we've achieved a great rain effect that is set as the overlay video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.